Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today is Triple Play Saturday, and this is round two. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Triple Play Saturday round two. Now, round two is really nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called Digital Evo. I'm liking the look of this one. I like the design. I like the way it looks in always on mode, but I'm thinking this watch face looks a lot better when it's on. Now it gives you all the information you need so far as step status is concerned. So if you're going jogging or running today and or tomorrow, this might be the watch face you want to check out. Now it gives you information on your heart rate, floors climbed, calories burned, miles walked around. You get info on your steps. I like the font of the digital time, and it is interactive. So if you need to make a phone call or check the weather, you can single tap and the weather, or to be able to make a phone call comes right up. Same thing for your music. Gotta have music when you're on the run and or walk. It gives you your battery percentage, and it also gives you the day of the week. Now, the only thing I wish that the developer had gave was the opportunity to customize the color depending on what outfit I may have had on for the day. This may not tie into it, but other than that, this is a good look. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't miss out, because Triple Play Saturday round 3 is on the way. Enjoy. Have the greatest weekend ever.